Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you what is machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on building systems that can learn from and make a prediction or a decision based on data. Here is what is machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, computer science that focuses on the using data and algorithms to enable AI to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. Machine learning is defined as a discipline of artificial intelligence that provides machines the ability to automatically learn from the data and past experiences to identify patterns and make predictions with minimal human intervention. You can see it clearly in this graph. This side is man, another side is machine. How does machine learning work? A machine learning system build a prediction model, learn from previous data, and predict the output of new data whenever it's received. The amount of data helps to build a better model that accurately predict the output, which in turn affect the accuracy of the predicted output. Have a look at this graph. Input data goes to the machine learning algorithm model, and then building logical models, and then output come. Then model training, you can see here level data goes to the model training parts, then prediction, what is square or what is a triangle. Feature of machine learning. Machine learning uses data to detect various patterns in a given dataset. It can learn from the past data and improve automatically. It is a data-driven technology. Machine learning is much similar to data mining, as it also deal with the huge amount of data. Let's know about type of machine learning. There are three type of machine learning: supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement machine learning. Supervised machine learning means in the supervised machine learning, simple label data are provided to the machine learning system for training, and the system then predict the output based on the training data. The system uses label data to build a model that understand the data sets and learn about each one. After the training processing are done, we test the model with sample data to see if it can accurately predict the output. This type of machine learning involves supervision where machines are trained or labeled dataset and enabled to predict outputs based on the provided training. The labeled dataset specifies that some input and output parameters are already mapped. Type of supervised machine learning. One is classification, another one is regression. Classification means this refer to the algorithm that address classification problems where the output variable is categorical. For example, yes, no, true, false, male, female, etc. Real world application of this category are evident in spam detection and email filtering. If we talk about regression, regression is a algorithm handle a regression problem where input and output variable have a linear relationship. These are the known to predict continuous output variable. Example include weather prediction, market trend analysis, etc. Let's know about unsupervised machine learning. Unsupervised learning is a learning method in which a machine learns without any supervisions. The training is provided to the machine with the set of data that has not been labeled, classified, or categorized, and the algorithms need to act on that data without any supervision. The goal of unsupervised learning is to restructure the input data into new features or a group of objects with similar patterns. One is clustering, another one is association. Real-time example we talk about facial recognition, production recommendation, email automation, spam filtering, financial accuracy, social media optimization, healthcare advancement, mobile voice to text and predictive text, predictive analytics. These are the real-time example of machine learning. Machine learning algorithms are simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, SVM. SVM means support vector machine. KNN means K neighbors. Machine learning enables system to improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed for every task. Its ability to analyze a large amount of data makes it powerful tool in many industries. Machine learning is transforming industries by enabling data-driven insight and automating tasks that traditionally required human intelligence. As the data become more accessible and computing power increases, machine learning will continue to evolve, pushing the boundaries of the what's possible with AI.